Assalamu alaikum. I am Mehtab and welcome to Mehtab's Digital Hub. Here we learn IT and computer technology in the simplest way so even beginners can understand easily. Today's topic is very important for students who are new in this field. We will talk about what is IT, why is matter, and what skills you should learn to build a strong future in technology. So let's begin. What is IT? Information technology. Information technology or IT means using computers, networks, software, and digital systems to store, process, share, and protect information. More in simple words, IT is the field where we use technology to solve problems and make work easier. It includes computers, internets, apps, websites, communication system, and security tools. Second one is why IT is important. It is used in almost every field today: school and universities, hospitals, bank, business companies, government officers, online shopping, social media. Everything work because of IT system. That's why IT is powerful career field with many job opportunities. What do we learn in IT? Here is a beginner friendly guide to what IT students learn. Computer basics. New students start by learning what is a computer, parts of a computer, CPU, RAM, storage device, how software and hardware work, how computer stores and process data. These are building blocks. Operating system. Students learn how to work with Windows, Linux, MacOS. They learn things like installing software, managing file system, and basic commands. Networking. Networking is the heart of IT. Students learn what is a network, types of networks, learn WAN, WAN, routers, switches, IP addresses, how device connect and share data, how the internet works. This helps students understand communication systems. Internet and web technologies. Students understand how websites work, browsers use servers, basic online tools, email, cloud storage, and online communication. This is useful for every job. Database. Database is where information is stored. Students learn what is data, how to store and organize data, searching and machine managing information, basic SQL in advanced level. Sixth one is security. IT student learn how to protect systems from online threats. Password security, safe browsing, malware, viruses, protection, data protection, why hacking happens. Companies need people who understand digitally safety. Cloud computing. Now everything is moving on the cloud. Students learn what is cloud, types of cloud system, basic uses of AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. It is one of the top skills for 26 and future jobs. Virtualization. IT student how one computer can act like multiple systems. This helps in services, business system, and cloud platforms. Software and applications. Students learn about Office application, Work, Excel, PowerPoint. Business business softwares, basic troubleshooting. Knowing these makes daily work easier. Data and analytics. New IT students learn to basic of data. What is data? Why data is important? How companies use data? Simple analysis to understand threats. This helps in future advanced fields like AI and big data. Problem solving skills. This is not only about computer, it is about solving problems. Students learn logical thinking, how to fix errors, how to improve systems, how to make work faster and easier. This is most valuable skill in IT. What is the goal of information technology? After learning IT basics, students should be able to use computers confidently, understanding, understand networks and the internet, protect system and data, work with computer and applications, solve technical problems, communication effectively, prepare for advanced skill like cloud, cybersecurity, AI, etc. Why beginners should learn it? It gives better job opportunities, confidence in technology, skills for future careers, ability to learn advanced fields, problem solving abilities, high salary jobs. IT is the fastest growing field in the world. Last conclusion. Information technology is a powerful field that teaches tech students how to use computer network software and modern system to solve real world problems. Beginners start with basic and grow step by step into advanced skill like cloud security and data.